Hello, my name is Aaron Healy, and today I will just be doing a few simple jQuery methods and how they work. So we start off with our index.html page, and inside this we just have a paragraph and a button that has an ID called hide and a button that has an ID called show. That's all we have for the start. Everything else is commented out yet. So in our JavaScript we have a lot of jQuery functions. At first we're just going to be using the top two here, hide and show. So what they do is hide just hides the item that you've selected here, which is hashtag hide, and click or shows the item. So if we go into our HTML, we can refresh. If we click hide, it will get rid of it, and we click show, it will show it. As simple as. If we go back into our code, we can see if we uncomment the next one down. So here we have fade in and fade out. So fade in and fade out works as simple buttons again, and I've made a div of 3 boxes, so these boxes will fade in and fade out. So if we go into the JavaScript, we have 3 functions: fade in, fade out, and fade toggle, and also fade to. Sorry, 4 functions. So the first function, fade in, brings in the boxes. It brings them in quickly, as the first one when there's no parameter set. The second one brings them in slowly, and the third one waits 3 seconds to bring them in. So then fade out fades them out the exact same way as fade in. Fade toggle just toggles between fade out and fade in. And fade to changes the fade to of the capacity of each one. So that's 0.15, 0.4, 0.7. That has to be set between 0 and 1. So to show you this now, I have to go back into my index.html, refresh. So we click to fade in the boxes, 3 of them fade in. We click to fade out the boxes, 3 of them fade out. We can toggle them, so that toggles them in. Click it again, they've toggled out. And when they're toggled in, you can click to fade to, which sets the capacity, so that's 0.15, 0.4 rather than 0.7. So they work simple enough like that. If we go back into our code, we have our last few methods, which are the slides. So you can slide down, slide up, or which does both, slide toggle. So that just goes between the two. So back in our index, we have a flip and a div with ID flip and a div with ID panel. So what should happen is when you click on slide toggle, it should slide down, and when you click it again, it should slide up. Simple enough. So we go back into our index.html, we refresh, slide down, and it slides back up. Simple as that. Hello world appears, hello world disappears. That's basically all it's doing. So that's just a few simple methods in jQuery, and thanks for listening.